Hey, it's me, Kinghuman. Listen up. Here's what's doing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I took one single dollar and turned it into almost $1,000 in under 5 minutes. This video is not clickbait. It's not hypey. It's not BS. It's the real deal. And I'm going to give it all to you right here, right now. You're going to get a lot of benefit from this if you watch the entire video. Watch the entire video and boom goes dynamite. And before we even get into it, do me a solid and do you a solid by clicking the subscribe button and dinging that stupid little bell. And then you'll get notified when I come out with any follow-ups on this. Okay, without any more of my stupidity, let's get into this. Okay guys, let's get into this. Look, what you're looking at is a screenshot of a little chunk of income I made the other day. It literally took me about 8 minutes, and it cost me $1 to do this. So I want to show you guys what's doing here, and I'm going to get into the good, the bad, and the ugly so you can understand everything that's going on. So what is going on here, and how did I make that money with just a $1 investment and 8 minutes of my time? I used this platform. This is an email platform where I can send out monetized emails. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is a form of affiliate marketing where I can go on to a platform like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and I can find a product creator who is willing to pay me if I bring them a sale. So what I do is I just send out emails to as many people as I can using this platform, and I put my affiliate link in that email. It's very simple, takes no time at all. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I can't teach you affiliate marketing right now in this video. Go back and look at some of my other videos. This is going to be just about this email marketing platform and how you can make money with it on a couple of different levels. So the cool thing about this platform is I don't have to build my email list, because building an email list is fundamental to making money. The two things that will make you money with an email list are the number of leads that you have in your email list and the quality of leads that you have in your email list. So as you can see, I have 35,400 people in my email list that I can send out emails to. So I can sit down, I can compose an email. It takes me about 8 minutes to write an email these days. I can insert my affiliate links into that email and send it to 35,400 people in 8 minutes and a couple of clicks. It's really simple. But, before I even get into that, the industry average for making money with an email marketing list is $1 per email address per month if you have a decent list, right? So by all intents and purposes, I should be making $35,400 with this list on this platform, right? Well, no, because this is a junk platform. I mean, this is really junk, but that doesn't mean you can't make money here like I did. This is what happened. I sent out one email a couple of days ago, and I made a sale of $972.31. I've also made a couple of sales of, I don't know, 200 and something dollars, because I'm using this platform to send emails for mid-ticket to high-ticket products. I'm not even experimenting with low-ticket stuff really on this platform. But let me go into this and show you what's doing. So here's what happens. You come in here. First of all, you become a member of this platform. And if you're already tired of listening to me talk about it, there will be a link below this video where you can join. What does it cost, Kinghuman? It costs $1 a day. It's really nothing compared to, what you might make. Now, again, I'm going to reiterate, this is crap. This is total crap. This is a crappy platform. but it still makes me money. It doesn't make me money every day, but it has potential. So here's what you do. You come down here and you write out a subject line in here. Or what's even cooler is you can come in here and you can pick, and I do this all the time, pick one of the emails that you wrote in a previous send and just hit that and then just hit load. And now your email is loaded. Here is where you make your creative, or your swipe, it's called. So this is very simple. So many times I get so lazy and I don't even want to write a new email. So I'll just come in here and I'll pick, I don't know, I'll pick anything, something that I made earlier on a previous send. I'll be in a Starbucks or something and I don't want to work. I open up my iPad. I just pick something. I hit load. I come down here. Boom goes the dynamite. And now over here, there will be a button that says send. Well, actually 2 buttons. One says preview and one says send. And I can't show it to you because I just sent out an email with this platform and I can only send out 1 email a day. But I can send that email to, how many people was it? 35,400 people. So I do that. When I remember to, I will do that. And I admit I don't use this every day because this is not a platform that I consider to be a main income platform. This is kind of something I do when I remember to do it. And yeah, it makes me a couple of grand here and there. Again, let me show you the other situation that's in there. Well, that's in here, I should say, that you can make money with. And that is being an affiliate. Well, let me scroll down. Being an affiliate for this exact platform. So if you become a member of this platform, you're already approved to be an affiliate for this platform. Let me show you that. So I am an affiliate for this platform, and let me scroll down here. Because I told people about this and they decided to give it a try, this is how much I made from this platform. So far I've made $9,855. I've gotten paid $8,739, and I have coming to me $1,116. Now, if I want to get paid that $1,116, here's what I do. I just click on that button, and I can get paid via PayPal, via Bitcoin, via check, whatever. It's really, they really make it as easy as possible and cover you with that. And also, this is recurring income. So this, let me go back down to it. This, this figure is constantly going. It's constantly coming in. I don't really have to do anything to promote this. I'm telling you about this, not so much to promote it to you, but to let you know this is a possible thing that you could do. Now, how did I promote this? I was honest. I just got on social media and I showed people what happened to me. Now, what happened to me was this. I came into the mailing system and first of all, I waited until my list was at about 10,000 people because these are crappy leads. You're probably not going to make any money until your list gets up to about 10,000. And what I did was my list got up to about 10,000 and I sent out an email. Let's see if I can find like the first emails that I sent out. That's the first one I sent out. Let's load it. And this was to a product that paid like $250, and I made a couple of sales. So all I did was I got on social media. First of all, I came here to the home page, and you get your affiliate link. And all I did was I went on Facebook and I said, hey guys, I found this platform. And, you know, frankly, I don't know if it's any good or not, but here's the good, the bad, and the ugly. Here's the good part. You get between 200 between 100 and 200 people added into your email list on autopilot every day. That means you don't have to make a squeeze page. You don't have to run paid traffic to that squeeze page. You don't have to do anything. It's you getting these people on your list just because you're a member of this platform, and that costs you $1 a day. So that's so cheap to get leads. The other thing is you get an email platform where you can send emails out, monetized emails, and potentially make a few bucks. So, and this is me continuing to talk in my video that I put on Facebook or whatever. So what I did was I sent out a couple of emails and I made 2 sales of like 200 or 250 bucks. If you're interested, go take a look at this. Here's my link. My link is below. And that's all I did. Now, I made a couple of update videos as things progressed, because as things progress and I send out emails like I did the other day, and things like this happen where I make $972 on this platform, I'm going to make a follow-up video and I'm going to tell people, like I'm doing to you right now. I'm telling you this is what happened. So this is how easy this can be. You come in here, first of all, let your lead grow, let your list grow. Although you don't have to. I'm just telling you, if you want to send out an email and you expect to make money with it, you're going to need at least 10,000 people. And even then you might not. It depends on how good you are writing email swipes. And you know what? There's probably a lot of other videos on that on YouTube. For me, I just make a simple email. Let me pick one of my early ones just to, I don't know what this one is. I'll load it. But I just do a simple email. I wasn't sure if I should share this video with you. It's strange and mysterious. How a girl from Detroit made $490,600. I think this email was written for me. In other words, I went on to like ClickBank and I found a product and I went into their JV page, and they give you pre-written email swipes, and you just come in here and paste them in. And then you just add your affiliate link by clicking on here. I've taught you guys how to do this before, so you should know how to do that. It's very simple, very easy. There's also training videos within this platform. But anyway, that's it. It's not rocket surgery, guys, but it's not going to make you rich. You'll make a sale here and there, but it's not the home run that a lot of people think this is. And I just want to be honest with you guys and transparent. But again, I'm not complaining. $972 sale. And the thing is, when you first join, this is going to cost you $1 a day. But if you become an affiliate, let me stop. That video is going to play. If you become an affiliate and you can show some success with this platform, and other people join because you've turned them on to it, it's not going to cost you anything. They're going to actually pay you to use this platform. This doesn't cost me anything. I'm getting paid $1,100. I don't know in what amount of time that is. 2 weeks, a month. I don't know. I don't keep track. Because frankly, to me, this is not huge, right? This is kind of a little side thing that is cool. For me, this is like baccarat money. I can take this to the baccarat table and piss it away or whatever. It doesn't really much matter. But you get the idea. Again, my link to this platform is below this video. And I want to tell you, that's my affiliate link. I'm an affiliate marketer. That's how I make money, right? You do not have to use my link. It's just kind of a courtesy. And the other thing about using my affiliate link, it will not cost you 1 penny extra to join this platform. Look, I'm just showing you this because maybe it's something that will help you. I like this platform for newbies because it's going to teach you guys how to do email marketing without having to pay an arm and a leg, and without having to do a lot of the messy stuff that, learning how to make a squeeze page, putting it out there, driving paid traffic. You don't have to do any of that stuff. So this is kind of a cool little proving grounds. The other thing I wanted to say, which I kind of trailed off on, was, let me go back in the mailing system. You're not going to make any money until you get your leads up to 10,000. But, and this is what I was trying to get out earlier, you could start sending emails out when you only have 100 people in your list. Because, yeah, you're not going to make a sale. But what's going to happen is that email is going to become part of your email inventory. So just like some of my early emails I sent out back when I just had maybe only 5,000 people in my list, I would send out an email like this. And you know what? Yeah, maybe it didn't make me any money. Maybe it did. I don't know. But the cool thing is now that's an email that's in my inventory. So when I'm at a Starbucks or something, I can take out my iPhone or my iPad, and, later on down the road, when my email list is up to, 10,000 plus, I can just pull one of my earlier emails. Doesn't have to be anything great, whatever. And then I hit load, and then I hit the send button, and boom, I'm done for the day. It's a free pull at the slot machine. That's the way I look at this, as kind of like a gamble. This is a gambling platform to me. But when it pays off, it can pay off good if you run, sorry, I'm choking on my own shit here. If you run emails for mid-ticket to high-ticket items, you may want to mix it up. Send some low-ticket emails too. But the important thing to remember is these are crappy leads because they're shared with everybody else on this platform. So they're not going to perform really well. But, again, you've got two ways to make money by sending out emails. Occasionally they will work for you. Most of the time they won't. And then the other thing you can do is you can be, wait a minute, let me go into here. You can be an affiliate for this platform. And if you're an affiliate for this platform, don't sugarcoat it, right? Be honest. Tell people, hey, this is a shitty platform, but it can still work. You just have to be creative in here, right? And you can make a decent recurring income as an affiliate for this platform. That $1,100 a month. I don't know if this is a month or a week, or I don't know what it is. $1,100 a month, let's say. That's a decent car payment. I can get a Tesla with that, I think. Or I don't know if it's a house payment in some places in the world. I don't know. But that's money that comes in, and I'm not really doing much of anything to make that money. Once in a while, I'll do an update like this. Okay, I'm done. I'm tired of hearing myself talk. I doubt anybody watched this to the end because I just rambled like a lunatic. Okay, guys, maximum respect. Link below. Do it, don't do it. I really don't care. This is your life. Live your best life. And donate a few bucks to help us a kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. I'm going to choke again.